The electronic built-in locker lock is designed with low battery maintenance in mind. The low battery alert icon will appear on the screen when it's time to change the battery. To replace the battery, open the locker door and remove the screw from the outside of the rear housing. Pull the battery cover open and remove the old battery. Insert the new battery, observing proper polarity, then close the battery cover. Place the battery cover screw and tighten. Close the locker door and test the lock. If the battery dies when a locker is locked, you can provide temporary power with a 9-volt battery. Place and hold the 9-volt battery to the contact points at the bottom of the keypad module. Then enter the current lock code to open the locker and replace the battery.